Hey, Cloud Arcade community, welcome back to another exciting episode. If you're new here, I'm Enzo, the host of Cloud Arcade, your go to channel for all things Google Cloud Platform. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone looking to enhance their cloud infrastructure: VPC networking and Google Cloud's high availability VPN. Whether you're a beginner trying to grasp the basics or an experienced cloud engineer seeking to optimize your setup, this episode is packed with valuable insights just for you. In this live stream, we'll break down the fundamentals of VPC networking and the importance of HA-VPN for high availability and reliability. I'll guide you through the step-by-step setup and configuration, share real-world use cases, and provide troubleshooting tips for help you avoid common pitfalls. By the end of this session, you'll have the skills and confidence to secure your network on Google Cloud Platform like a pro. And remember, if you find this content helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to you won't miss any future episodes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any future episodes. We've got a lot of in store to help you master GCP. So, grab your coffee and settle in, and let's get started on mastering the Google Cloud HA-VPN. Let's jump right in. So I'm getting this instruction from the level 1 cloud networking from Google Cloud Arcade. And as you can see here, as I've already completed the first 4 labs: a networking 101, VPC networking fundamentals, create an internal load balancing, and the networking fundamentals on Google Cloud. Today I'm going to share with you the VPN networking cloud HA VPN. So there are 4 tasks that we need to complete for today. First one is to create a cloud VPC setup, and then we're going to simulate the on-premises setup, and then we're going to set up an HA and VPN, and at the end of the session we'll clean up all our Google Cloud services. So our first task, we are going to set up our a cloud VPC. Let me start our environment, switch to another view. So I have the instructions now. I'm going to open this incognito. For the password, hold on. Okay, first off, the VPC or the virtual cloud is like a private cloud-based network. It allows you to define and control a virtual network that is logically isolated from other cloud tenants. This isolation is key for security and compliance, ensuring that your resources are protected from unauthorized access. So this is what we're going to do. First, we're going to create a VPC in the cloud, and then we're going to select or create, simulate an on-prem by creating an on-prem VPC. So let's try this. So these steps are just optional steps. You can skip this if you want. So, okay, let's set up a new cloud VPC. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Hopefully we'll get the same output as in the instructions. It's going to take some time before it gets completed. If you notice, we got the results same as in the instruction. Now the next steps is to create subnets. So to create a subnet from the VPC, we can do that by going to the Google Cloud GUI or user interface. But the one I'm showing is the CLI or the Cloud Shell version of creating the subnets. This is the same way of how we did it for creating a VPC. Okay, that's done. Finally, we're going to create subnet demo number 2. Alright, our 2 subnets are already created. Next steps is to create the firewall rules. So normally you would go to the GUI and navigate to the firewall section under the VPC network, but this time we're going to use the instructions to create the firewall rules using the Cloud Shell. Alright, this time we're going to create a firewall rule that will allow SSH and ICMP from anywhere. And I think this is the last part of this section. No, last two. Okay, so we're going to create a VM instance in network VPC demo. I'll copy this to our cloud shell. Okay. And then another VPC, which is VPC demo instance 2 in another region, US East 1-D. Okay, that's everything is created. Let's check our progress if it's completed. Let me just go back to the top. And check our progress. Okay, looking good. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out any of your future episodes. Let's keep building a secure cloud infrastructure together. So, our next task is to simulate on-premise. So we're going to set us up in Google Cloud Platform. So it's time to simulate an on-premise setup. This setup is crucial for integrating your existing on-prem setup subnets and configure firewall rules. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a VPC network called on-prem. Okay, then that's done. We're going to create an on-prem subnet 1. Alright, looks like we have the subnet one ready. Now it's time to create firewall rules. Okay, looking good. This time we're going to allow SSH, RDP, HTTP, ICMP by creating a new firewall rule. Alright, the next steps is to create a test instance in network on-prem. Okay, let's check back and see our progress. There you go. We already completed the second task. It's time to move on to our third task. But before that, for those who have not subscribed yet, just don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any future episodes. Let's keep building a secure cloud infrastructure together. So in this segment, we are going to set up high availability VPN to ensure a reliable and secure connection between your on-premises network and Google Cloud. We'll create the HA-VPN in the network VAC-demo, set up cloud routers, configure 2 VPN tunnels with BGP peering for each tunnel, and adjust firewall rules to allow traffic from the remote VPC. So let's get started. Alright, let me just copy this instruction and paste it in our Cloud Shell. Now our VPN is done. Let me create another one. So we have created 2 VPN. One is the VPC demo and another one for on-prem VPN. So this time we're going to create a VPN gateway. So we'll create two gateway. One is for the VPC and the second is for the on-prem VPC. And then we're going to create cloud routers. Cloud routers manage dynamic routing and enable border gateway protocol sessions, which are essential for HA-VPN. So to create a cloud router, you navigate to the cloud routers section under the hybrid connectivity and click create router. Name your router with and associated with the VAC demo network. Repeat this process and create second router for redundancy. This setup ensures dynamic routing and high availability. Okay, so this time we're going to create a cloud router for on-prem VPC. Okay, let's check our progress. Looking good. This time we're going to create two VPN tunnels. Alright, I think it's done. Another second tunnel, that this time is for the tunnel 1, tunnel 0 and tunnel 1. And then another tunnel for the on-prem VPC. Okay, one more tunnel for the on-prem VPC. Alright, this time we're going to create BGP peering for each tunnel. BGP is Border Gateway Protocol. Alright, for the second BGP, we're going to call it Tunnel 10. Alright, this time we're going to create another tunnel, this time in VPC demo. And we're going to do the BGP peer for tunnel 1 in network VPC demo. Alright, this time we're going to create router interface for tunnel 0 in network on-prem. Okay, it looks like it's done. Now we're going to do the BGP peer for tunnel 0 in network on-prem. And it's done. Our seventh step is to create an interface for tunnel 1 in network on-prem. Okay, let's see and check our progress. Looks like we missed a BGP peer for tunnel 1 in network on-prem. Let me see. Okay, there you go. That completes our third task for today. Now let's see if we can verify our configurations. Going to switch back to our lab. Then let's check on the output. if it's the same, yep, and that's correct. This time, let's verify the details of cloud router on on-prem router 1. And it's, yep, looks fine. At this time, we're going to configure firewall rules to allow traffic from the remote VPC. And it's done. Another firewall rule. This time is from VPC demo to on-prem VPC. Oh, let's check our progress. And we're done. Let's see our tunnel list. Alright. We have the on-prem tunnel 0, on-prem tunnel 1, VPC demo tunnel 0, and VPC demo tunnel 1. Now, let's see, verify each channel if is up. Let's try to verify private connectivity over VPN. All right, I'm going to ping if we will be able to reach. Yep, it's pingable. Okay, let's see about the global routing with VPN. Okay, it seems that I don't have access to this particular, but let's see our progress. So I got permission denied from the service. Hold on, let me just troubleshoot this. Okay, and we're back. I think I know what the issue is. I was trying to run the command inside an SSH, and I just type in the exit and should be good. Now we don't have any errors anymore, so let's see. Let's try to ping again. we're going to ping from East 1. VPC demo instance 2 region East 1. Yep, it's pingable now. This time we're going to verify high availability. So we deleted one of the VPN tunnels. And then we'll describe it. The tunnel is up and running. Okay, let's do another ping. And it's still pingable. All right, we're done with the third task, setting up the Cloud HA-VPN. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out any future sessions. Our final task this time is to clean up our resources. Now that we have successfully set up and tested our HA-VPN, it's time to clean up our cloud resources. Properly cleaning up helps avoid unnecessary costs and keeps your environment tidy. In this segment, we'll go through deleting VPN tunnels, removing VGP peering, deleting cloud clusters, VPN gateways, instances, firewall rules, subnets, and VPC. So let's get started. I'm going to delete all the VPNs and then followed by removing the BGP peering. So if you remember, we have 4 BGP peering, so I need to remove that. Okay, we've deleted the VPN and then the BGP. So this time I'm going to delete the cloud routers and VPN gateways. Alright, so that's done. Next steps is to delete the instances and firewall rules. Okay, so we have 6 firewall rules to delete. Alright, this time I'm going to delete all the subnets. We have 3 subnets created. And then the final part is to delete the 2 VPCs that I created, the VPC demo and the on-prem VPC. And there you have it. We've deleted all of the VPCC and we completed this activity for less than an hour. So I'll just end this lab and see our progress for our cloud arcade. Let's go back to the previews screen and see if, yep, it's already completed. We only have 2 labs left for this session. All right, Cloud Arcade community, that brings us to the end of today's live stream. We've covered a lot of ground, from setting up your cloud VPC and simulating an on-premises network to configuring HA-VPN and cleaning up our resources. I hope you have found this session valuable and that you're now equipped to set up a secure, high availability network using Google Cloud's HA-VPN. Remember, the key to robust cloud infrastructure is proper setup, thorough testing, and diligent cleanup. So, to recap, we set up a cloud VPC, we simulated an on-premises network, we configured an HA-VPN with dynamic routing, and cleaned up our cloud resources. So if you enjoyed this live stream and want to learn more about Google Cloud Platform, make sure to subscribe to Cloud Arcade. We have a lot of more exciting content coming up, including deep dives into other GCP services, troubleshooting tips, and advanced configuration. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep building on the cloud. This is Enzo from Cloud Arcade signing off. Have a great day.